Hey friends, have you ever typed a prompt into an AI and felt like it understood everyone else's ideas, but not yours? Like your brain's doing this wild, brilliant associative dance, but when you try to channel that into a prompt, the output feels flat? You're not alone. Most prompt guides out there? Built for linear thinkers, but for those of us who think in spirals, patterns, or 5 tabs open in our brain at once. That's just not it. This video is for my neurodivergent creatives, the ones who feel too much, think too fast, and dream too weird. Today, I'm showing you how to make AI work with your brain, not against it. Let's go. Neurodivergent thought patterns are powerful. We're talking hyperfocus, pattern recognition, wildly divergent thinking. These aren't bugs, they're features. And yet, when it comes to AI, especially tools like ChatGPT or image generators, we hit friction. Why? Because most prompt engineering tips assume step-by-step, structured, and neurotypical thinking. The result? Prompts that feel bland, outputs that don't reflect your voice. And the worst part? Thinking maybe you did something wrong. You didn't. Here's the secret. Neurodivergent minds are actually primed for creative prompting. You already make connections others don't see. You already imagine what doesn't exist. Let's say you're working on a story. A linear thinker might prompt, write a story about a lonely robot who finds a friend. But you might feel that as a color, or a shape, or a burst of music in your head. So instead, your prompt might sound more like, a story told in glitchy code rhythms, neon skies, the loneliness of static, the joy of rebooting. And guess what? AI eats that up. Let's break down a few neurodivergent-friendly prompting methods. 1. Iterative prompting. Start with a messy idea. Let AI bounce back, then refine. Your creative process doesn't have to be clean, just ongoing. 2. Multimodal prompting. Mix inputs, a sentence, a reference image, and emotion. If you're using tools like Midjourney or Gemini, use emotion plus detail in the same prompt. 3. Brain dump prompting. Write everything in your head in a big, messy chunk. Then ask AI to organize it for you. Yes, you get to be chaotic. Let the model do the cleaning. This right here? It's how neurodivergent creators can stop trying to be prompt perfect and just prompt real. Here's a tip. Try whispering your idea into a voice note and transcribing it into a prompt. It helps bypass perfection paralysis. Let's look at a few examples of what happens when ND creators prompt their way. A surrealist piece of art that was created using a prompt like, draw a child's dream remembered by a cloud. Use pastels. Add noise like static and echoes. A story prompt. Write a poem in the voice of a haunted wind chime who wants to fall in love with silence. See how wild, but deeply resonant those are? AI is finally weird enough to keep up with us. We just have to speak our language. This isn't about mastering prompts. It's about claiming your creative power. You don't have to fix your thinking style. You don't have to write like anyone else. You just have to start. Your way, try these strategies. Play, mess up, try again. And drop your favorite neurodivergent style prompt in the comments. Let's build a prompt library together, one wild brain at a time. Please like and subscribe if this helped unlock something for you. Because creative freedom should work with your brain, not against it. See you in the next one. Bye.